Hello everyone. Today class I will discussing about the first unit of Riemannian geometry. Manifolds. Manifolds ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ generalization of surface to Rn. Rn ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ n dimensional topological manifolds. Introduction to manifolds. Preliminary comments on Rn. Rn and Euclidean space topological manifolds with examples. Further examples of manifolds, cutting and pasting, abstract manifold. Some examples. Definition: topological manifolds. Let M be a Hausdorff topological space if each point P belongs to M as a neighborhood U, which is homeomorphic to an open set E in Rn, where Rn is an n-dimensional Euclidean space. Then M is said to be an n-dimensional topological manifolds. Note that the manifold is locally like a Euclidean space. M ಅನ್ನೋದು Hausdorff topological space ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. If each point P belongs to U is a subset of M, is homeomorphic to an open set E is a subset of Rn, where Rn is an n-dimensional Euclidean space ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Then M is said to be n-dimensional topological manifolds. Manifolds locally like a Euclidean space ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Second definition: differential manifolds. Let M be a topological Hausdorff space. Let P belongs to M and let U be a neighborhood of P in M. If E is subset of Rn is open, then the definition of topological manifold gives pi from U is a subset of M tends to E is subset of Rn to be a homeomorphism. We call the pair U, empty set a coordinate neighborhood of P or a chart on M. M ಅನ್ನೋದು ಟೊಪೊಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ Hausdorff ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. P belongs to U is a subset of M, is homeomorphic to E is subset of Rn. ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೊಪೊಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನಿಫೋಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ನ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಪೈ ಫ್ರಮ್ U is subset of M tends to E is subset of Rn. ಮ್ಯಾನಿಫೋಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ನ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನಿಫೋಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ದಿ ಪೇರ್ U, ಪೈ ಎ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ನೈಬರ್ಹುಡ್ ಆಫ್ P ಆರ್ ಎ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ M. ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ U, ಪೈ ಪೇರ್ನ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಲೆಟ್ P belongs to M, then pi of P belongs to E is subset of Rn. Therefore, pi of P is an ordered n tuple of real numbers. P ಅನ್ನೋದು M ಅಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾಗೆ pi of P ಅನ್ನೋದು E ಅಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ. E ಅನ್ನೋದು subset of Rn. Rn ಅಂತಂದರೆ n-dimensional Euclidean space. pi of P ಅಂತಂದರೆ ordered n tuples of real numbers. xi of P ಅಂತಂದರೆ ith component of pi of P. pi of P ಅಂತಂದರೆ x1 of P, x2 of P and so on xn of P. Since pi is continuous, pi ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Each xi is a continuous real valued function defined on the neighborhood U of P. Let P, Q belongs to U and suppose pi of P that is equal to pi of Q. That implies xi of P that is equal to xi of Q for all I. P is equal to Q. Hence the point P is uniquely determined by their n coordinates x1 of P, x2 of P and so on xn of P. They are called the set of local coordinates of the point P with respect to coordinates neighborhood U, pi, and the n tuples x1, x2 and so on xn are called the local coordinate system on the neighborhood U, pi. Next definition: let M be an n-dimensional topological manifolds and M is covered by a collection U alpha of open sets is homeomorphic to an open sets E alpha in Rn. U alpha is subset of M, is homeomorphic to E alpha in Rn. Let pi alpha from U alpha tends to E alpha is subset of Rn. Here we call the collection U alpha, pi alpha, alpha is belongs to I. where I is index set. That is the collection of charts is called atlas, which is denoted by S is equal to U alpha comma pi alpha. Alpha is belongs to I. The pair U alpha comma pi alpha ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಎಮ್. ಅದೇ ಹಾಗೆ ದಿ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಕಮ ಪೈ ಆಲ್ಫಾ, ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಇಸ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಐ ಅಂತಂತಂದರೆ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂತಂದರೆ ಅಟ್ಲಾಸ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಡಿನೋಟೆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಎಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಯು ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಕಮ ಪೈ ಆಲ್ಫಾ, ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಇಸ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಐ, ಐ ಈಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಸೆಟ್. Let u alpha comma pi alpha and u beta comma pi beta are any two charts are elements of S. u alpha comma pi alpha and u beta comma pi beta ಇವೆರಡು ಸಹ ಎಸ್ನ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳಾಗ್ತವೆ. ಸಚ್ ದಟ್ u alpha intersection of u beta that is not equal to empty set. Then pi alpha from u alpha tends to e alpha and pi beta from u beta tends to e beta or homeomorphic ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ respectively. Let p is belongs to u alpha intersection of u beta, that implies p is belongs to u alpha and p is belongs to u beta. And let x1 alpha of p comma x2 alpha of p and so on xn alpha of p and xn beta of p comma x2 beta of p and so on xn beta of p be two local coordinate systems about the point p. ಇವೆರಡೂ ಸಹ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ ಪಿಗೆ. ಇವೆರಡೂ ಸಹ local coordinate systems about the point P. Now we find the relation between these two local coordinates system. ಇವೆರಡು ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ನ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ನ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ರೆಫರ್ ದಿ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಫಿಗರ್. u alpha and u beta are any two open sets. u alpha intersection of u beta is this. u alpha is mapping to e alpha, u beta is mapping to e beta. Range of u alpha is pi alpha of u alpha. Range of u beta is pi beta of u beta. This represents pi alpha of u alpha intersection u beta. This represents pi beta of u alpha intersection u beta. Thank you.